What's going on, guys? It's Mike here with another video. In today's video I will just be reviewing this right here. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket, and I'm pretty sure you guys have maybe seen the previous one, the Osmo Mobile and the Mobile 2. This one's just a small version, and in today's video I'll be just doing a simple unboxing, just kind of showing you guys what's in the box. It's not too small or not too big, excuse me. So this is the package. I mean, you can already see it's pretty small. Now I'm assuming that maybe the size of it may be bigger. You can see it compared to the size of my hand. But let's open up and see. I know, guys, it's not the best unboxing knife, scissors, but that's all I got for now. If I could open this. I think I got it finally. Trying to preserve the box, but there you go. Here's the box. Nothing too special. Let's begin and open up the box. Once again, this is the Osmo Pocket. Pretty sure this should just slide off. Maybe, maybe not. Seem to have everything taped down. If I could just open this box. I try to keep the box as pristine as I can, but it's really not happening. So there you go. So I think there you go. Bam. There you go. Okay, so there's nothing under the box, so I guess this was intended to be a preserved box. So let's open it and see what's in here. Oh, there you go. Now right there we got the unit right here. It's pretty small, not as small as the box, but it is pocketable. I mean, this definitely could fit in my pocket. What do you guys think? Yep, there's a unit. Put that down. I guess that's the unboxing. That's the unit, and then let's look in here and see what we got. So inside the actual carrying case, which is also small as well, we got this manual, which it's 2018. I don't think anyone reads. We got the lanyard right here, and then we got some manuals. Of course, it's a smart product. We don't need to read these. I think we can figure it out. Yeah, so let me throw that to the side, and then let's check in here. What do we got? I believe these are adapters, because you have the option to either use this with USB-C or with the lightning cable connector. So lightning cable connector. If this could focus, there you go. And then we have the USB Type-C connector. So if you don't have like a very up-to-date Android, then you might be out of luck, because they don't, well, as far as I know, they don't have a USB, the regular USB, not the USB-C. They don't have the regular USBs that old Samsungs and other Android phones use. So you must have a USB Type-C adapter or just a phone with the USB Type-C. Now, if you have an iPhone, at least one of the latest ones, I think you'll be fine. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's see else what we got. We have the charging cable here, typical USB cable. So if you already had one, this is just another one to, I guess, keep around. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let's see. So yeah, pretty much straightforward unboxing. This is a unit once again. This is just the unboxing, as you guys know. I'll definitely have a full review soon. Looks pretty sleek, pretty pocketable. So there's the unit. Now, I was thinking when I got this, I got it at Best Buy for $350. It is $350, and some might say that's expensive, some might not. For such a small unit, that is actually quite expensive, if you want to be honest. So yeah, I mean, we'll see in the full review. I'll try to do as much as I can, do all the time lapses, use this to maximum, use all the features, and let you guys know how I feel on it. So definitely is pocketable. I mean, this is about the size of probably a typical iPhone 5 maybe. It could definitely fit in my pocket. So, yep. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.